The information presented in this episode is for educational and informational purposes only. Rules and policies may change. Please visit the official website of the featured evaluation company for the most current information before making any trading decisions. This is for educational purposes only. Always verify the latest rules and policies on the official website of the featured evaluation company.
Welcome to the Excel Trade Room Combine Series. I'm Samuel J. Strong III. Each episode highlights a futures evaluation company by reviewing its programs, rules, account options, payout information, and other important details. The research presented throughout this series is compiled by Tash to help you better understand each company's evaluation process before you decide which one may best fit your trading goals. Let's get started.
Welcome to this special recap edition Combine series. Over the past 4 episodes, we took an in-depth look at Lucid Trading. Now we're bringing the entire Lucid Trading series together in one complete overview. We examined the company, its evaluation process, account options, trading rules, payout information, and important policies traders should understand. One of the biggest lessons from this review is simple. Never choose an evaluation company based only on the advertised account size. Understand the profit objective, drawdown structure, position limits, trading restrictions, fees, and the requirements for advancing through the program. The evaluation is only the beginning. Passing an evaluation does not automatically mean a trader has completed the process. You should understand what happens after you pass, how the funded stage operates, and what requirements must be satisfied before becoming eligible for a payout. Account selection matters too. The largest account is not automatically the best account. The right account is the one whose risk structure, rules, cost, and trading limitations fit the way you actually trade. Another major takeaway from our Lucid Trading review is the importance of reading the rules before placing your first trade. A good trading strategy can still fail inside an evaluation if the trader does not understand the company's requirements. Every proprietary trading company has its own structure. Never assume one company's rules are identical to another. Study the details, understand the risk, know the payout process, then determine whether the opportunity fits your trading plan. Most importantly, remember that the company provides the opportunity, but the trader still provides the discipline. Patience, risk management, consistency, and responsible decision-making still belong to you. 4 episodes. 1 complete look at the company. EXL Trade Room Combine series continues. Research that matters. Information you can trust. Prepare today, trade tomorrow. EXL Trade Room Combine series. New company, new research, same purpose.